Welcome to this book review of Total Immersion, The Revolutionary Way to Swim Better, Faster, and Easier by Terry Lachlan. This book introduces a transformative approach to swimming that promises to make the sport more efficient, enjoyable, and accessible to swimmers of all levels. Terry Lachlan, a renowned swim coach and founder of the Total Immersion method, offers insights and techniques that aim to revolutionize how we think about and practice swimming. In this review, we will explore the core principles of total immersion, the benefits it offers, and the practical techniques that Lachlan shares to help swimmers improve their performance and enjoyment in the water. Overview: Total immersion is both a philosophy and a practical guide to swimming. Terry Lachlan's method focuses on streamlining body mechanics, reducing drag, and maximizing efficiency in the water. Unlike traditional swimming techniques that emphasize speed and power, total immersion prioritizes balance, relaxation, and fluid movement. The book is structured to gradually introduce these concepts, making them accessible to beginners and beneficial to advanced swimmers. Key principles: 1. Balance. One of the foundational principles of total immersion is achieving balance in the water. Lachlan emphasizes the importance of maintaining a horizontal position to minimize drag and improve efficiency. The book provides exercises and drills to help swimmers develop a sense of balance and stability, which are crucial for effortless swimming. 2. Streamlining. Streamlining the body is essential to reduce resistance and move more smoothly through the water. Lachlan explains how to position the head, torso, and limbs to create a streamlined shape. Techniques such as the Superman glide and skating position are introduced to help swimmers practice and internalize these principles. 3. Propulsion. While traditional swimming focuses heavily on propulsion through powerful strokes, total immersion teaches swimmers to use their entire body to generate forward movement. Lachlan discusses how to coordinate the arms, legs, and core to create a seamless, integrated swimming motion. 4. Relaxation. Relaxation is a key component of the total immersion method. Tension and anxiety can lead to inefficient swimming and fatigue. Lachlan encourages swimmers to relax their muscles and minds to achieve a more fluid and enjoyable swim. The book includes mindfulness techniques and relaxation exercises to help swimmers stay calm and focused in the water. Practical techniques. Drills and exercises. The book is filled with practical drills and exercises designed to help swimmers master the total immersion techniques. These drills are progressive, starting with basic balance exercises and gradually incorporating more complex movements. Each drill is explained in detail, with step-by-step instructions and illustrations to guide swimmers through the process. Breathing techniques. Effective breathing is crucial for maintaining rhythm and endurance in swimming. Lachlan provides tips on how to breathe efficiently and rhythmically, coordinating breath with movement to ensure a steady flow of oxygen. The nod drill and roll to breath exercises help swimmers practice and refine their breathing technique. Visualization. Visualization is an important tool in the total immersion method. Lachlan encourages swimmers to visualize their movements and imagine themselves gliding smoothly through the water. This mental practice can help reinforce physical skills and build confidence. Benefits of total immersion. 1. Efficiency and speed. By focusing on balance, streamlining, and coordinated movement, swimmers can achieve greater efficiency in the water. This not only makes swimming easier but can also lead to improved speed without the need for excessive effort or power. Total immersion helps swimmers harness their natural buoyancy and streamline their bodies to reduce drag and increase propulsion. 2. Reduced fatigue. The emphasis on relaxation and efficient movement reduces unnecessary energy expenditure, allowing swimmers to swim longer distances with less fatigue. This makes the total immersion method particularly beneficial for long-distance swimmers and triathletes. 3. Enjoyment and confidence. Many swimmers struggle with anxiety and frustration in the water. Total immersion promotes a more mindful and enjoyable approach to swimming, helping swimmers build confidence and a positive relationship with the sport. The method's focus on gradual progression and achievable goals fosters a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Strengths. 1. Accessible and inclusive. Total immersion is designed to be accessible to swimmers of all levels, from beginners to competitive athletes. The step-by-step approach and clear instructions make it easy to follow and implement. The method's emphasis on efficiency and relaxation makes swimming more approachable and enjoyable for people of all ages and abilities. 2. Holistic approach. Lackland's method takes a holistic approach to swimming, integrating physical, mental, and emotional aspects of the sport. This comprehensive perspective helps swimmers develop a well-rounded and sustainable practice. The inclusion of mindfulness and relaxation techniques adds a unique and valuable dimension to the training. 3. Proven success. Total immersion has been successfully used by thousands of swimmers worldwide. The method's effectiveness is supported by numerous testimonials and success stories from swimmers who have improved their performance and enjoyment of the sport. Lackland's expertise and experience as a coach lend credibility to the method and its principles. Weaknesses. 1. Learning curve. While total immersion is designed to be accessible, some swimmers may find the initial learning curve challenging. The emphasis on balance and streamlining can be difficult to master, particularly for those accustomed to traditional swimming techniques. Patience and persistence are required to fully integrate the total immersion principles into one's swimming practice. 2. Individual variation. As with any training method, individual variation can affect how well swimmers respond to total immersion. Some swimmers may need to adapt the techniques to suit their unique body mechanics and swimming style. The book provides a solid foundation, but personalized coaching or guidance may be beneficial for those who struggle with certain aspects of the method. Conclusion. In conclusion, total immersion, the revolutionary way to swim better, faster, and easier, by Terry Lackland offers a transformative approach to swimming that prioritizes efficiency, balance, and relaxation. The book's clear instructions, practical drills, and holistic perspective make it a valuable resource for swimmers of all levels. By embracing the total immersion method, swimmers can improve their performance, reduce fatigue, and develop a more enjoyable and sustainable relationship with the sport. While there may be a learning curve and individual variation in how swimmers respond to the method, the benefits of total immersion far outweigh the challenges. Terry Lackland's expertise and passion for swimming shine through in this comprehensive and inspiring guide. Thank you for listening to this review. Subscribe for more book reviews.